Hi YouTube viewers, welcome back again. Today I'd like to talk to you about the fotga dp3000 mattbox for your DSLR video rig. It's a very good budget conscious mattbox. It's amazingly well made for the money. This is currently going on Amazon for probably under $100 US. It's all the front blades are metal, full metal construction. Aluminum on the all of the little screws that hold it together. The main part of the mat box is plastic, but it doesn't feel like it's going to break or anything along that lines. One of my favorite parts about this mat box is by undoing one of these screws here, and we'll just there we go. We'll just loosen that off. And this would probably have been nicer if they had used a spring-loaded device on this one. But nonetheless, it's not that big of a deal. But I can open this mat box. Now I can easily change my camera lenses. The other thing that I really like about this mat box is the fact that it's got the rotating filter holders for this one. So you can put standard 4-inch filters into this mat box. Overall, it's a very well constructed product. All of the portion that mounts it to the system is made of really nicely machined aluminum. Absolutely no complaints there. Would I recommend this mat box for an aspiring videographer? Absolutely. You can't go wrong. I mean, I've seen other mat boxes that are similar to this going for $400 or $500. You know, if you don't need the carbon fiber, and really I don't see why you would. It's a very good value. Fotga makes great products, and I've been very happy with them. I've bought a few of their items over the years, and I hope my input helps you out a little bit, and hope to see you back soon. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and also check over here for our latest videos. See you next time. Thank you.